Hey guys, Terry here. It is Groundhog Day in Ohio, and it's just beautiful outside. I think it got into the 50s today. There's the water over there. It's only frozen a couple times this winter. I was traveling last week, so I didn't make any videos, so I thought I would show you a couple things that came in the mail. I got my next cherry on top cherry box and another Let's Make Art. So let me put you in the stand and show you, open these up and show you what's inside. Okay, this is cherry on top. Cherry on top. It's the name of the company. A cherry box is the item. I'll have links on my blog for these items along with the prices. I forget what the price is. I want to say it's 30 something. They wrap it very nicely. I've always been impressed that it's in plastic so nothing can get damaged. And then they have a cute tissue paper like you're opening up a present to yourself. This cute. You make me a happy camper. How cute is that? You know I'm going to use that in a page. So you never know what you're getting. Each month they give new little somethings. Oh, look at this. It's a box of buttons and little things. Some of the buttons came out. Isn't that cute? Very cute for Valentine's Day. They got gray and pink. How fun is that? Some washi tape. You are magic. How cute is that? You are magic. Can you see it? You are magic. How cute is that? Little stars on it. This one just has little dots. I love polka dots. And some tape runner. I have not tried this brand before. Ad Tech. I don't know if it's refillable. It says extra strong, bonds instantly. Looks like there is a refill for it. That's fun. They always have some kind of 3D item. This is some pretty beautiful flowers. Oh, and here's a Ranger Distress Oxide Festive Berry. Quilted words. That's cute. They're made out of fabric. How fun is that? Kind of gives you the idea to take some fabric and cut them on your die cutter. Stitch on them. How fun is that? And pebbles, printed cardstock shapes. It looks like the theme is Valentine. I can see a bike in there. Cute. Some gold leafing. Happy Valentine's Day. Cute. Oh, the paper pack is beautiful. Now these packs are 6.5 inch. So that's a little bigger than the standard 6x6. This is pretty. Flip through. Oh, there's some tags. Really cute. More polka dots. Beautiful colors. I might have to make Valentine cards and send them out. I make stuff. I don't always send it out. Really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, I'm going to make some cards. Oh, look at the cardboard one. Really pretty. Oh, and then some bling. How fun is that? Cute gem stickers. Very cute. Okay, so I think that's it. So the buttons, the washi tape, the bling, the ephemera, the paper, stickers, the flowers, the Distress Oxide, the fun 4x6 card, and tape runner. So that's really fun. Like I said, with that one, you're not sure what you're getting. They've typically included some kind of ephemera, some kind of paper pack, and then some other kind of embellishments. January it was planner stuff, so that was fun. Okay, so here's the February. This is the Let's Make Art, and they have nice packaging too. And they include paints. Oh, there you go. All the different colors. So beautiful. That's the colors that you need for this month. Oh, there's a little sponge. How fun is that? And then there's always four items that you're painting. And let's see what they are. Oh, that's fun. Seashells. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, heart hands. That looks so hard. So with this set, Sarah, does it in a video and shows you how to do it. And they look impossible, but she shows you what to do. So I love it. I've only done 3 of them so far. This one's a lighthouse. Just beautiful. So the idea is that you watch along, and they give you 2 pieces of paper in it. There's usually something that you trace. So that gets you started. And then they give you the supplies that you need. You can buy their paint brushes, and I bought their paint tray too. But their stuff is just really nicely set up. The other thing about it is, if you've got watercolor paper, you can download her the sketch that she does and trace it on your own with your own paper. So it really does cost you nothing. I just like getting the colors for each month and then the sheets. But I have bought the watercolor paper, and I've gotten one of these every month for like 5 months now, so I have 20 of them, and like I said, I've done 3. So here's my tray of colors. So I kind of feel like it's accumulating, and I got to get on it. So I need to treat it like I'm taking an art class and it's a certain night a week, and just have it on my calendar and say I'm doing it. Just gotta make myself do it. The other thing you could do is on their website, and I've done this, I've paused it for the next 2 months because I just need to get some of these done. So that's nice. If you do sign up and put your credit card in so that it just comes to you each month, you can put a pause on it. I was going to log in and stop it, and I kind of like that you could pause it because I don't want to stop it. I do want to come back to it, but I just need a little bit of catch-up time. So I'm looking forward to playing with those. So if I make one, I will make a video on it. I'm not great at it, and she says it just takes practice. So it's just fun to tinker with and learn what you can do with the paints and make something fun out of it. So like I said, I'll have links to Let's Make Art and the cherry box on my website. Thanks, guys. Have a great week.